What if I told you the most important part of your stream had nothing to do with you? Would you stick around to hear me out? As always, I want to thank you guys for stopping by. If you are a beginning streamer, this is very important that you stick around because you have a very important choice to make soon. And you need to make a decision on something. And if you are a medium to large streamer, I might be able to show you a way to switch games without losing your viewership. That's the point of today's video. We were talking about when we switch games, why do our viewers just go down the toilet? Where do they all go? What's going on? And honestly, recently in Facebook gaming, there's a major outcry from medium to large streamers basically wanting Facebook to fix the problem. Facebook, why are all our viewers going away? What's going on, Facebook? Can you fix the problem? I want more concurrent viewers. These are all the larger streamers that I'm hearing. Word for word, Facebook, I want more concurrent viewers on my stream. I'm here to tell you guys that that mentality, having Facebook fix that or thinking that Facebook should just hand you viewers, is utter bullshit. What are you really asking them to do? Hold them down to make sure they watch your content? The problem is with larger streamers, you have built up a community based around your game. You are a game streamer. So the people are there to see your game play. Your gameplay is the value on your stream. So when you switch games, the value is gone, your viewership is gone, and that's why nobody is there. You see, when you start off streaming, you have about two choices. You can either be a game streamer or you can be an entertainment streamer. And unfortunately, if you choose to be a game streamer, you're not going to be able to switch games without some type of punishment. Now, there is a positive side to this, because if you choose to be a game streamer, you can grow fast on Facebook. You can get a lot of traction, a lot of followers, you can grow, you can get the stars, you can rock it. It'll feel like you're kicking ass until you switch games. Now, the mentality behind, if I switch games, I should just have my followers. Why aren't my followers notified? Why? They are. They don't care. They don't like what you're doing. If you went to McDonald's and they changed it into a seafood restaurant, most of you would leave because you don't want to eat seafood. You went there for McDonald's. But if you go to an entertainment venue to see live music, the bands can change out and you'll still go there because you like the entertainment. I don't understand like the forced viewership that people are crying for. Like they're frustrated. They want Facebook to hand them viewers. And I'm sorry, I'm gonna say it again. I think Facebook creates laziness when it comes to like networking and busting your ass to work with your community. Now, in the beginning of this video, I talked about the most important part of your stream. It's your community, which you are responsible for. So what kind of community are you going to build? Are you gonna build a community around gameplay? Which is perfectly fine. I have no issue whatsoever. If you build a community based around gameplay because you kick ass at a certain game, that's fine. You can get successful doing it that way. But do not piss and moan when you switch games and your viewership goes out the door. Because you know what? If you have a schedule and you're there consistently, your viewership will know when you go live. So what's the excuse? What's the excuse? If you're consistent on your schedule, which most medium to large streamers are because they're professionals, if you're consistent with your schedule and you switch and your viewership goes away, what's the excuse? Stop asking for handouts. Get ready to work. You can switch games and keep your viewership, but you have to go back and start over and work with your community. One-on-one interactions, talking to your chat. I see it all the time with larger streamers. They start ignoring all the flow because there's so much going on. There's so much going on when your chat starts popping off and you can't keep up with it. You slowly separate yourself away farther and farther from your community. But if you're not entertaining and engaging by you as the streamer, then there's no value when you switch your gameplay. The value of a game streamer is the game. A value of an entertainment streamer is the streamer themselves. So beginning streamers, if you've made it this far in the video, I want you to consider or think about what type of streamer you want to be. Both are fine. You can be successful on both, but I will give you a little bit of a heads up. If you're going to be an entertainment streamer, variety streamer, it's a lot of work and you got to work outside the algorithm because it's not going to help you. You are basically in the same situation if you were streaming on Twitch. You have to create the funnel system. You got to get people to your stream, whatever means necessary, networking, talking, all that work. And if you are a larger streamer and you want to switch games, guess what? You're a little streamer again. Got to start networking, working your way up, because you can't just expect these handouts. I'm sick of people bitching about it. I'm sick of hearing it. And honestly, I started thinking about it a while ago. I was like, man, it'd be nice to really switch games away, do some modern games and have some viewership. But I based my stream around being retro. So I am also that lazy ass. And I'm bringing this up because I recognize the problem right away. Why is this not working? It's like, of course. It's so simple. The value has left the stream Therefore, the viewership is gone. There's no, they're not coming down on you. You're not being punished by Facebook when you switch games. You simply have taken the value out of your stream that the people are there to watch. Bring back the value, you have the viewership. Rebuild the value to be something else, you'll have the viewership. But stop complaining about it. If you guys like the video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel. It makes a huge difference, and you can keep up with my weekly content on making us all better streamers. That's including myself. And if you have anything to say about this, or a different opinion, or if you think I'm way off the mark, I am perfectly fine with having a discussion about it. Get down in the comments, tell me what you think. I will get back to you. I get back to all my comments every single week. And if you guys want to talk face to face, I do go live on Facebook often, so click on the link below. I could be live right now. If you guys are looking for more help, check out these videos here. Either one of these will get you a little more help for beginning streamers. If you're a larger streamer, I'm sorry, my channel is mostly about beginning streamer help, so this might be a little, this one's good, or this one.